In the beginning, there was the wheel, a simple yet ingenious device that laid the foundation for all future modes of transport. Fast forward a few millennia and the advent of the motor car ushered in a new era of mobility. From Henry Ford's iconic Model T to the sleek, efficient electric vehicles we see today, the car has become an indispensable part of our daily lives. Now, the advent of artificial intelligence has spawned self-driving cars, equipped with sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms that can detect obstacles, interpret traffic signals, and even communicate with other vehicles. But it's not just cars that have benefited from the touch of AI. Bicycles, humble as they may be, have also felt the winds of change. Electric bicycles, or e-bikes, are now a common sight in urban landscapes. Assisted by electric motors, these bikes make it easier to navigate hilly terrains and cover long distances, providing a convenient, cost-effective, and eco-friendly mode of transportation. From the ground, we take to the skies, where drones are charting a new path. Initially developed for recreational purposes, drones have now found commercial applications equipped with cameras and sensors to capture stunning aerial footage, deliver packages, and even assist in search and rescue operations. With technology advancing at a rapid pace, expect these unmanned aerial vehicles to become more sophisticated, with longer flight times and improved capabilities. Moving on to planes, the harbingers of long-distance travel, there have been significant advancements in fuel efficiency and aircraft design. Supersonic jets have shrunk the world, and now electric planes are set to make air travel more sustainable, powered by batteries or hydrogen fuel cells to reduce carbon emissions. On the more luxurious side, supercars and yachts represent the pinnacle of elegance and engineering excellence. Electric supercars combine high-performance capabilities with environmental friendliness, while luxury yachts are incorporating hybrid propulsion systems and AI-controlled navigation to offer an opulent experience on the water. The convergence of artificial intelligence and electric vehicles is set to redefine transportation. AI-powered electric vehicles can optimize energy consumption, enhance safety features, and provide a seamless driving experience. These vehicles can analyze road conditions, predict traffic patterns, and even communicate with smart infrastructure, ensuring efficient and safe travel. In conclusion, transportation has come a long way since the invention of the wheel, with every step marked by significant technological advancements. Today, artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this evolution, transforming everything from cars and bicycles to drones and planes. As we move forward, we can expect AI to continue driving the future of transportation, steering us towards a world of greater efficiency, safety, and sustainability. So, keep your eyes on the road ahead, because the journey is just getting started.